This is gonna blow your mind. Don't miss out on the next yummy recipe. Hungry for more? Hit that subscribe button and join our Culinary Recipe Creations family. We've got an endless menu of delectable and delicious recipes just waiting for you. From appetizers to desserts, there's something for every foodie. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and let's get cooking.
This is gonna blow your mind. I'm about to reveal the secret to the ultimate apple crumble. First, we're picking the perfect apples. Go for a mix of sweet and tart. Think Granny Smith and Honeycrisp. Now, peel, core, and slice them up. Sprinkle with cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Next, it's crumble time. Combine oats, flour, brown sugar, and a hint of salt. Here's the secret ingredient: a dash of cardamom. It adds a warm floral note that's simply divine. Mix in cold, cubed butter until you get a crumbly texture. Layer your apples in a baking dish, sprinkle the crumble on top, and pop it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Once it's golden and bubbly, let it cool slightly. Serve with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. There you have it, the best apple crumble ever. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!
This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.